You might think of celebrity politicians as a modern thing, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, right? But trust me, they were a thing in the 19th century too. P.T. Barnum was a member of Connecticut's General Assembly twice. First in 1865 for the town of Fairfield, and then in 1878 for Bridgeport. Because of his religious faith, and because he'd gone sober in his 40s, Barnum used his time in political office to lobby for moral causes like temperance, consumer protection, and abolitionism. He certainly had his problematic moments, ranging from casual racism to a paternalistic moral agenda, but his biggest political legacy is a positive one. Condemning the pro-slavery attitude of his youth, Barnum said he first ran for office in order to vote in favor of black voting rights, and he gave a famous speech in May 1865 in which he said, "All men are equally children of the common father." That's today's Barnum fun fact, and if you didn't know, now you do.